Hey guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for another insightful video. And our topic for today is about eToro. And in my previous video, I shared to you guys that I'm starting to be active. I am more active right now in the US market and in cryptocurrency because the opportunities are higher compared to what is currently happening in the Philippine market. Our stocks are moving very slowly. Some of them are still on a downtrend. That's why we have to be creative and resourceful as to where we can still use our skills in the area of trading. And good thing we have these markets that can offer a much better set of opportunities. Now, so let us say you're already interested in trading the U.S. market. You don't have you don't have a platform that you want to use yet, or you have not decided yet. So I'm recommending eToro because this is the platform I'm using, and it's really user friendly. And actually, that's the main objective of our discussion because I want to give you guys a walkthrough on some of the sections here so that by the time you create your account, it's easier for you. Okay, and right now you are looking at a virtual a virtual portfolio. It's not my portfolio. Okay, there's a virtual and the real portfolio, so I'm not going to show you my real portfolio as of yet because the purpose here is just simply to show you the difference between how to put an order and how to put a trade, and what's the difference between the two. Okay, so let's get down to business. Let us say I am now on this landing page. I would like to buy a stock or some shares for Apple, and the code is AAPL. I go click that and it will route me to the main page of Apple. And what's nice about eToro is that it has a social feed. All the members of eToro share their thoughts and whatever they know or whatever research they did for this particular stock, they put in here. And it's really super helpful. So I would normally read through these posts. And it also has the stats of the company, from the revenue to the losses and gains, and some background information about the company. A chart here as well, and research section. The research section also tells you the overall sentiment of this particular stock. And right now, it's saying that Apple, as of May 8, it's a moderate buy. Okay, and it also will show you what the analysts are saying, and some of the big players here. For instance, Warren Buffett reduced, when it doesn't show though, and some insider transaction. You'll also see that from here. Okay, now you did your research. You have decided, I want to get in. Okay, so the only section, the place where you can do that, is you just simply click trade over here. Now, this stock will allow you to either buy. This is when you feel that the stock is going to go up. You know that it is going to go up. That's why you're clicking buy. But if you want to sell, over here, you feel that the stock is going down, therefore I'm betting for the stock to go down. I click sell. In both sections, you can go ahead and trade. Either you click an order or a trade. Click buy, you can also do order and a trade. Now, but in this exercise, we'll just use the buy because you feel that it's a moderate buy and it's already buy, and maybe you did your technical analysis. Okay. When you click trade, by default, it's trade. All you have to do is, one, enter the amount, or you can also enter in units. So 1 unit is equivalent to whatever the price is. right? So if it's 1, and of course the equivalent of that is the amount 130.64. So that means whatever the price right now, you are willing to buy it at that amount. However, so let's just open it just for the purpose of this exercise. I use ×1 leverage, I will not be charged any fee. But if I will borrow money, then that becomes a CFD, then I will have some fee, a small amount to pay. But let's say in this exercise, I'm just going to use ×1 leverage. So you can also do stop loss and take profit. You can define that even before you open the trade. So as you can see right here, how much am I entering in this trade? Let's say I will put in $100. And if I click open trade, it will now automatically open. And if I go here, it should already reflect over here. Okay? So that is if you click trade. Now let's go back to trade again. This time around, order. This simply means that I am willing to buy this if the amount reaches a certain level. So for example, if the amount reaches, let's say 120, because the current price right now is 130. So if it reaches a 120, I am willing to buy $100 worth. What this means is that it will not be executed unless the amount reaches 130. So I put order. So Apple order placed at 120. Where will it go now? So to view that, all you have to do is click portfolio. Notice you will have 3 icons here. This one shows your history, this one shows your portfolio, and the far right will show your orders. And as you can see right now, today is the 8th of May. I entered 120, and the current price is 130, and the amount I'm willing to invest in is $100. Okay, I can also exit out if I want to cancel it at any time. Now let's try to use another example whereby, let us say, the industry or the market is closed. Okay, let us say Hong Kong, the exchange is closed. Hong Kong right now, where is Hong Kong? Hong Kong is currently closed. If I want to trade stocks in Hong Kong, then of course if I open it, it will say closed. But can I put an order? Definitely. Okay, so look at this. I have the option to put a buy and a sell, same. But by default, it will state at market. What this means is that the moment the market opens Hong Kong time, and I put in, let's say, $100, this simply means that the moment, the first minute of the day, let's say on Monday, my order will be executed right away because it says at market. So if I'm to read it, your trade will be executed once the market is open. But can I put an order? Definitely. All I have to do is click this amount. Okay, I just click the rate and I just say only execute that if the amount dips to $50 or 50 Hong Kong. So that will only be executed if the amount reaches 50. But if it continues to move higher and higher, then it will not execute it. Okay, so I put 100. Order is at 50. I set order. And it will go to our orders section. As you can see, we already have 2 orders placed here. At the same time earlier, we also placed another transaction, which is at the market price, which is I click trade. Okay, so that's my quick video for tonight. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Feel free to comment any other feature you'd like me to talk about in eToro. That way, so when you decide to start engaging or trading using this platform, you already find it easy. And sometimes the downside is if you don't know the function and you try to tinker with it, it's the real money that you are putting here at stake. So instead of sell, you put buy and whatever. For as long as sometimes if you do it incorrectly, you might risk the chance of losing money because of incorrect navigation. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, go ahead and share so that everyone knows about our vision here in our channel. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.